Pictures presents. In a little place in Bourgogne, on the 17th century, Jesus Christ, Son of God, appeared to Holy Marguerite Marie. Here is my heart, whom I've loved people and isn't love in return. On the 20th century, a man, Pierre M. Gossat, who completely gave himself to God and to others, founded the Emmanuel community and came to pray in Paray-le-monial. Today, and for 30 years, pilgrims come all over the world every summer to dive in le cœur de Jesús. Now, you are invited to discover God's mercy for you, God's unbelievable love for you. There's hope. Come and believe your eyes.